So by the time that I'm recording this video, I'm uploading a very killer video. It's going to be the foundation of this channel. By any means, if you already missed watching that, go and watch it, and it's going to be great. But in that video, I missed explaining some of the things that I had in my mind, and I thought they are important. They are important. So I can actually make another video and explain what's going on in my head. All around the globe, there are a lot of students, their concern is actually science. They want to become good scientists, but maybe they don't have enough money. Maybe they cannot go to good universities and study there because they can't have good scholarship, and they are actually going to deal big problems with financial thing, and it's going to be not easy. Because I'm a student myself and I'm dealing with such problems, and I thought, people like me, like there are a lot in the world, students with big concerns, but small resources and the problems. So we thought this channel is going to be good for them as well. Like, I was thinking in this community, we can actually share a lot of things among us. Like, imagine, I fully described it. Imagine we have 1 million subscribers, and each year there are going to be, 100 candidates that they need, something around $50,000 per each year. If 1 million people are going to donate only $1 to this channel, I can actually help, 100 or 200 students all around the globe to actually solve their financial problems and to be able to actually push them forward to become a better scientist. Because future is all about science. It's all about you pushing the boundaries of the science to another level. Like, nowadays we have good medications, nowadays we have good technologies, and these things are actually helping human beings to go to another level and to not staying in the place that they are. Because imagine from 10,000 years ago, from the agricultural revolution, there are a lot of problems that time after time people come up with some good patent, and they can actually revolutionize the humankind life in all the way, like from coming up with some good ideas about machines and technology and medications. These things are actually on one side help human beings a lot, and one side maybe they have their own disadvantages, but if we actually do not help scientists to go as free as they can and to be so ambitious with their ideas, science cannot go further than now. And it needs dedication, and it needs freedom, a free mind to not getting involved with noise and with some, rudimentary stuffs like concerning of your food and shelters and stuff like that. So this channel is going to be great for those purposes as well. And maybe this is one of my concerns. This used to be one of my concerns, but now this is much more greater now. And I'm all thinking about, we can build this community to be able to actually enhance some of those talents and push them to become a better scientist, because we need scientists in the world to be able to get better. And without them, I don't think that's going to be a lot. So I am more or less kind of like a professional in my own area, and I will try to dedicate my life as well to the area that I think science needs people to actually help the world all the way. So I'm actually going to do my own duty, and I'm going to just create this big community to actually help others as well. So I think this is going to be a killer thing. This is part of the future. This point of my life and coming up with these ideas. I think this is very beautiful, because I told you the other day I was thinking about death and not be able to actually share the things. Maybe I die tomorrow, maybe I cannot upload these videos anymore, but you can have these ideas. You can have these ideas, use it. It's like, fundamentally, I don't care that my channel is gonna go big or your channel is gonna go big, but try to be that dedicated to this form of subjects, because these things are gonna be revolutionary on their own. And such idea like giving scholarship, maybe, like, I know a lot of people in my life that they're really talented, they're absolutely phenomenal, but money is the biggest roadblock that they have in their life, and they couldn't go further only because they didn't have enough resources. And this is sad. This is sad. But if we become a community, a big community, we can solve this kind of problems. Maybe in 1 million people, maybe we cannot have 1 million scientists. Maybe like not every 1 million person in this community cannot go further than this. Maybe they cannot dedicate that much into this form of subjects because a lot of problems that they have in their life. But there are people that they can, and we can help them to actually do it for us. So life is not that big. Life is not that long that we can do everything ourselves. But if we just act like a community, we can act like a body organs. If we actually know what is our duty, and if we do it correctly, all the body itself, all the body of the community, all the body of the society can go healthier, better as performance. In terms of performance, we can actually do better. I can say it like that. And this is going to be huge. This is going to be huge. So the very first goal was helping the members of the community. Like it can be great. It can be great. Normal people, normal problems, we can actually solve their problems. And in the body of the community, we can have all these great donations, like I don't know, like a form of philanthropy, but based on internet, not the real world. So based on internet, we can actually help people that we don't know them correctly, but we may know that they have the potential. So people with potentials, we can help them to actually bring their potentials to actual world and use it for correct purposes and good purposes. Bear it in mind, watch these videos, help the community to get better, subscribe, and the rest of it. See you later.